how to add Google Maps to Wix website. Now normally you want to add Google Maps at the very bottom of the page, which is your footer page, right? So what you do is normally you just go over there, and once you're there, maybe what you want to do is, let's say you want to add a new particular page or a new section. So we will first select add section right here where we want to add Google Maps. Here we can click on add elements, or you can also click this plus icon right here on the left hand side. Then we will simply go to this search bar. You can see search, and in the search bar just type in Google Maps right here. So once you search for Google Maps, you can see Google Maps, Google Reviews, or whatever else it is. You will see many other options right here, but since we want to add Google Maps, you can see show visitors where they can find your locations. Just select this particular option. Now choose pink spot, sky blue options, what kind of template you want right here. I will simply select this particular option full with maps, or whatever else, right? Once I've added the section, I can add a certain location where I want it to redirect it to. So I can just go to its settings right here. I can choose to add show map or satellite view. I can use the design, and I can even change the location to where I want to add it. This way you'll be able to add Google Maps to Wix. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.